Hi everyone, welcome to Kitchen a la Carte. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making dumpling. Please join me as we make this quick dumpling. So for your ingredients, I have 3 cups of flour, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, and a hint of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of oil, my favorite instant yeast, my lukewarm water. Let's start. So firstly, you're going to put in your yeast. I've already put my 3 cups of flour, so you put your yeast. I'm not using all of this yeast, so maybe let's say a teaspoon will do. Next, you put in your sugar and salt. Okay, you make your well and put in your lukewarm water, and then you add your oil. You mix everything together. So I'm making 3 cups because we are a family of 3, my husband and my daughter. My husband doesn't really love dumpling, that's why I'm making only 3 cups. So you'll keep on adding your water until your dough is combined nicely. If you accidentally add more water, you can put more flour.